Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and if you get an insert the cassette into the printer, and this is the Pixma MX492, so if you get an insert the cassette error, which I was getting, and I didn't really know what was going on, if you fold this up here, and that needs to be out when you're printing, but see this bottom piece? That can pull out, and if that pulls out, and you try to print, it's going to say insert the cassette. So you need to make sure this goes in. It doesn't really click, but watch over here. See? Oh, see, and there it is. Insert the cassette. So if you get that insert the cassette message, and I'm just doing letter and plain paper, but that's what it is. This bottom tray, although it doesn't appear that it would slide out, it does. So maybe you bumped your printer, whatever you may have done, that's probably the root cause. So I was relieved to fix that. I've enjoyed this printer. You can find this printer linked within this video's description. I've had it for several years now, hassle-free, and I hope it continues to be that way. This is the first minor nuisance that I've encountered with this printer, but that's how I fix mine. Tell me what you think within the comment section below, and if this video provided value, please subscribe. Ring that bell icon when you do, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.